Alright guys, we are off to catch the bus to Mount Fuji. It is raining though, but tomorrow apparently it's going to be fine weather down there. So looking forward to just chillaxing a little bit around the little town of Mount Fuji and get away from this hustle and bustle of the city and get into some nature vibes. So let's go and grab the bus and head on down to Mount Fuji. Alright guys, we're off to Mount Fuji. This is the bus station. We're going to catch that bus at the B4 terminal, but you get your tickets along here and just select the prompts on the kiosks. Quite easy to do. It's in English as well. And then come to where the bus is going to be located, and then you're on. Anyway, let's head to Mount Fuji. Couple of days in nature. Check out this roller coaster. It's like an amusement park right here. Look at that. Whoa. Looks like no one there. How fun is that? It's a huge roller coaster. Alright guys, the bus has dropped me off here at Fuji Station. Fuji Station in the heart of Fuji Yoshida City. So this is the city that we're in, Fuji Yoshida City. And we are basically here. And Mount Fuji is surrounded by a few lakes. There's 5 of them. Lake Yamanakoko, Lake Kawaguchiko, Lake Saiko, Lake Shojiko, and Lake Motosuku. So Mount Fuji is 3,776 meters high. Unfortunately, you cannot go up there because it's a bit cold and it's out of limits at the moment. But I do want to check out a couple of these lakes tomorrow, and maybe some hot pools. I've got some hot pools around here somewhere that we can go and check out. There we go, hot spring. So I might check that out. So now I think it is time to go and grab some lunch. It's a bit overcast, but that's all good. I am feeling a little bit hungry and I want to try some more of the Japanese goodness. Fuji Yoshida City. Heading to the ACOM. Try and look for a place to eat on the way. Small little town, beautiful air though. It's like really clear, reminds me of the South Island in New Zealand. Quite breathable. Big difference from being in some of the other countries. All right, cross the road. Just went to the tourist information center and the ladies there were really helpful. We just sorted out a plan to do over the next couple of days. Go and check out some of the lakes, and they recommended to check out a pagoda which gets a really good view of Mount Fuji. They also stipulated that Mount Fuji is closed. It's only open between July and June, but they did also say to check out the ninja village, which I'm quite interested to go and check out, dress up as a ninja. And I asked them, oh, where's the samurai village? So they had a samurai village as well. So if we get time, we can check those out. And then I said, where can I see some sumo wrestling? They actually recommended to check out some of the fights they have up in Tokyo. So we might do that when we're back in Tokyo. Just check out some of the sumo wrestling matches. Anyway, guys, we are heading this way to the Acon. So check out this, guys. Water coming from the mountains across the road here. Not sure if you can see it flowing down there. I'm being a little bit cheeky and walking across the road while filming the water that's coming from the mountains. This is pretty cool. That's another thing I want to do if I get time. Let's check out some of the springs that they have here. Hot water springs, but also the freshwater springs that you can drink from, because Japan's known for its aquifers and spring water. The old machine, different types of drinks. Not really thirsty at the moment actually, but I am a little bit hungry, so let's see if we can find a spot up ahead to grab something to eat. Now these are very popular, guys. 7-Elevens are everywhere in Asia. I think Thailand was the place where I saw them first, but they are everywhere and have all sorts of stuff, even kumara. Ooh, grapes. Those grapes are huge. 2 apples for about $4. Vegetables, all sorts of bits and pieces. All right, water. Need to grab water. Yep, big water. And so here are the noodles. I get the seafood one, which I like, and the veggie one, which I like. Actually, I might just grab a couple of the seafood ones. Tasty. I've got all sorts of other stuff here. Look at that. Might get one of those salty cream crab. One of those, and what else? I think that will be it, guys. Your suiker card. I 7-Elevens always come to the rescue. Arigato. Okay. Don't know what she said, but seems friendly. Thank you. Bye bye. Welcome to Meisenji Guest House. This is the check-in times.